Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. Before moving on with the vlog of today, that is Wanchain, my friend. I want you to take a couple of action for this outstanding channel, Crypto and Coffee. The first one is subscribe right now. If you enjoy this kind of content, smash the like button. Psh, 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 psh. If you want to leave a UN side, wisdom, or you want me to talk about specific project, go for it. Put a nice comment below right now and press the bell notification to get notified every single day, my friend, from 9 a.m. Eastern time, from Monday through Sunday, every day with great content of value, my friend, made by who? Chez Satoshi. Great content of outstanding value. Anyway, I want you to take, you can spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, at school, and the street. Every day, name to remember and associate with crypto and coffee, chez Satoshi. So let's go back to Wanchain. I learned about this great piece of technology or project. Was watching a nice video yesterday about Bitbuy, and I decided I need to create a video about it and learn more. At the same time, I record myself while I'm learning and share this great information with you. As you can see, Wanchain, an introduction to Wanchain. So what they're going to create Wanchain out of the box. Open finance is currently broken. Do you believe that? Yes, because printing the press, they write the US currency, or every Western country just print, and your purchasing powers decrease, because now just to eat a Big Mac, it costs about $10 with the tax in Canada, about $12 just to eat a Big Mac with the French fries and Coke. And probably in 5 years from now, you're going to pay $17 or $18. Everything is possible. So blockchain technology, it's rapidly changing the world as we know it. And this is true. But public and private blockchain networks are still operating in isolation. They don't talk to each other. Like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you cannot send value back and forth. Open finance must be connected. Every hub, like a network, like the internet, every private network need to talk to each other. They need to have some bridge, but the same thing with blockchain technology. Open finance is enabling financial freedom, empowerment, and correctness that we have never experienced in history. And this is what I love, my friend. We seek to accelerate this change through global connectivity. So like one is a wide area network. I remember back in the day when I studied networking, because I'm working for 20 years of my life in IT, I think network technology, and I was a network administrator. But this is back in the day, my friend. But anyway, everything is connected. It's the same kind of technology, because when you have a network, you have blockchain technology that need to talk each other, because like I say, blockchain, if you have used Bitcoin or Ethereum, is a network, decentralized network. Every node decentralized. It's the same thing as a network, but decentralized. It's nothing more than that. And with a ledger, that the blockchain technology is like a ledger that track every transaction on the ledger. That's it. That's all. So we seek to accelerate this change through global connectivity. So they have public to public, public to private, and private to private. So multi-blockchain financial super hub. Wow, what's that mean behind it? I'm very curious. What's that mean? Wanchain is the world's most advanced blockchain interoperability platform. I think they have already two projects I covered so far that have connectivity. The one yesterday I know by heart it's Polkadot, but they have another one that I have sometimes the memory just forget and the brain. But interoperability, this is something that a lot of projects tap into at the moment. So Wanchain is the most advanced blockchain. We need to see that in our, because sometimes this is marketing purpose. They put this kind of information. Just as the wide area network connected the world isolated local area network, because when you have every network is together, you need to have bridge to be able to transact back and forth. Wanchain is connecting all isolated public and private blockchain to allow flow of the world, digital asset and data. I really love that statement here. Wait, I'm going to close this beautiful ads of White from Brave. Wanchain is connecting all isolated public and private blockchains to allow flow of world digital assets and data. That's we call interoperability. That you create bridge between public blockchain like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, and many more that exist, so everyone can talk each other. So all those it's work. Phone log an original blockchain, an account private key managed by Wanchain. Issue proxy token on Wanchain. Use proxy token in Wanchain ecosystem. Burn the proxy token and unlock original token. I'm not quite sure how these things work. You send fund and use locking and you have a representation version. So they need to emphasize a lot on this. At high level, I don't understand how these things work. Real world applications. Wanchain provide an economic infrastructure for developers to build super financial applications that span multiple blockchain and community. So it seems pretty obvious. They just purchased probably some icon just to make some representation of the use case. You can create cross-chain decentralized exchange, cross-chain mobile payment, connected enterprise blockchain, decentralized financial applications with the Wanchain technology. So they use as well Wanchain token utility. Every project have a token out of the box in the crypto spheres, so you need to be aware of that. Always do your own research before invest. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just providing this information as knowledge purpose or education purpose. One token utility. One token being a native token of Wanchain. As you can see, native token of Wanchain. I love this statement that you understand that when you want to deal or interact with the Wanchain, you need to have the Wanchain into the wallet. Offer various functions alongside basic value storage and transfer. Proof of stake block reward. As you can see, you can purchase this token and stake it, and you get reward by the invention of the token. Or probably they allocated as big portion for release for the stakers who commit to lock, because when you lock a token, you diminish the supply and the price can increase. Cross-chain bridge not staking reward. I'm not quite sure because you need to go read probably the right paper to understand what's mean the cross-chain bridge not staking reward. I'm not quite sure what's that. And the transactions fees. Pioneer the features of finance. Everyone want to tap on the crypto spheres, decentralized finance, because we, as the world we live in right now, just to pay with your credit card, sometimes you need to pay all the time the fee for the merchant, or when you pay a lot of fee when you use the traditional finance system. So decentralized finance system want to tap into this opportunity to decrease the fees. So the pioneers, the features of finance. We have the passion for innovating and shaping the direction of the new digital economy with our seasoned expert, industries, veteran, and driving young talent. I love that this statement, innovating and shaping the direction of the new digital economy. The shaping, because as we know at the moment, we have an evolution of money that will be all of the form of token that you can send back and forth with your telephone. The real money, like paper money, will not disappear, because we need paper sometimes just to purchase something fast at the grocery store, or a small item is better to use cash. But now we're going to be able to use eventually tokens, and you're going to probably to have dozen of token that you can pay for different kind of thing in the space or over the internet. So as you can see, they seem very passionate about to shape and change the world of the finance we live in. Connecting and empowering community. We know we can achieve our vision alone. No, we know we can achieve our vision alone, because when you are alone and you're solo, you cannot do anything. We are building out a powerful network of top technology partners, decentralized finance applications, and industry leading consortia. We are continuously building new strategic relationships and supporting companies choosing to leverage Wanchain cross-chain technology. As you can see, you can apply for integration, and if you want to interact with the project, put your email and you will know what's coming in the pipe. Let's go jump to the next sections. I need to take some coffee. I want you to take a couple of actions just before I keep going with Wanchain vlog. This is vlog of Wanchain. I'm trying to cover all the functionality at high level with the information available on the website. I want you to join the channels right now. If you enjoy this kind of content, smash the like button. Psh, psh, psh. If you want to leave your insight, wisdom, or project, or you want me to talk about specific project or opportunity, go for it. Leave a nice comment below. And as well, press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day from 9 a.m. Eastern Time, from Monday through Sunday, with great content of value every day to your YouTube dashboard, my friend. And the most important thing you can do, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and industry at school for great outstanding content of value made by Chez Solution to associate with crypto and coffee. Getting started with Wanchain. Create your Wanchain wallet easily, manage and send U1. This is the native cryptocurrency of Wanchain. Store and send other crypto asset, digital asset, and perform cross-chain transaction. That's the beauty of the power of interoperability. So you can send token back and forth, swap in one transaction, and this is really cool. The Wanchain wallet is all-encompassing solution for managing, sending, and receiving Wanchain supported digital assets such as one. The wallet also supports cross-blockchain functionality and proof of staking. Pretty cool. So they have version for desktop, offline, and mobile. Third-party wallets supporting One, Trezor Ledger, mobile wallet, Trust Wallet, Chrome extension, and OneMask. So as you can see, you have the One token utility. One token being the native token of Wanchain offer various utilities alongside basic value, storage, and transfer. Like I say, we already covered that on the first page. Proof of stake reward, cross-chain bridge, not staking reward, and transaction fees. They have as well the Wanchain Explorer that I'm going to show you here, as you can see, in a few minutes. So check the latest status of Wanchain network, proof of stake staking, and validator list. As you can see with the Wanchain Explorer, you can see these three major components that is really important on the Wanchain ecosystem. Wanchain network, proof of stake staking, and validator list. One transaction and also cross-chain transaction with easy using our blockchain explorer. Pretty cool. So let's go jump to the next sections. So you want to learn about Wanchain because it's pretty important, because if you want to have adoption of your technology, you need to provide great information for developer, entrepreneurs, or even simple user who want and might be interested to learn about how to interact with Wanchain. You need to have top-notch documentation, and this is really important. Video, whatever. I'm going to switch change back. Sorry about it. So as you can see, you need to have top-notch documentation. So Wanchain is the infrastructure connecting the decentralized financial world. So they emphasize a lot of interoperability, and I'm going to read that part. What's that mean at high level? Interoperability. Interoperability is one of the most critical challenge to solve in order to reach the prosperous features of blockchain technology industry. And I agree with that statement. The most critical challenge in order to reach prosperous features of blockchain industry. I love that segment, and it's very true. The challenge exists because in order to develop the full interconnected digital economy that we envision, the vision where we want to go, all blockchain must first be able to transfer value and or data between one another. And this is another great powerful statement. So you need to be able to talk each other back and forth. Like Polkadot want to tap into it as soon as it will release. I don't remember a piece of the. I don't have a black memory, but when Polkadot will live, a lot of the app will be able to build the app that's run over it to be able to talk each other like Bitcoin to Ethereum integrated into the app. And this is the features. People don't want to mess with 5 wallet. They just want to use one wallet and be able to interact with multiple blockchain or play a game that reside on probably Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum and move asset back and forth without thinking out I'm going to send this token from point A to point B that you need some time to do 3 or 4 transactions, and it's cumbersome process. But now I believe the features of interoperability will change the features of decentralized economy, like gaming item or decentralized finance or NFTs or whatever the new use case guys is going to pop in the near features. So one-chain cross-chain mechanisms is solving the challenge one integration at a time. As you can see, I love this beautiful graphic that you have. You see here, you see the Wanchain layer. You have ETH, altcoin, and BTC. So you have the layers of private transaction, private user. So cross-chain transactions, you be able to transact and move to another assets like BTC to ETH, for example. Any here, the private chain, the LAN chain, and LAN chain. So I think this is, they have multiple layers like the model Aussie, they have multiple layers to describe the network. I think they have 4 or 7. I don't remember back in the day. But anyway, let's go back to Wanchain roadmap. So this is really important. When you track a project, you want to know where they want to go or what's the vision of it. I'm going to read the Wanchain vision because I think it's important to understand where the project might want to go, what they want to tap into, what they want to accomplish or bring to the world as value. Wanchain vision is to create the ultimate decentralized banking solutions. We envision an open finance cross-chain world with all chains connected, all industry integrated, and where Wanchain offer a one-stop shop for all financial services. It's pretty obvious, pretty clear what they want to do. We aim to achieve this goal by building infrastructures to establish cross-chain integration with all major public and private blockchain. This is really cool. They want to bring they want to connect the financial world with private or public blockchain and create interoperability with the bridge. They talk each other like a big network of finance, the decentralized finance or public finance. They talk each other, and this is really cool. 2021 plan. All roadmap items are subject to change. I just want to read at high levels the 3 segments because this can change as the time you watch, and I recorded this video. Major upgrade to cross-chain mechanism in order to improve non-operator economic and scalability. Wide array of new asset and public blockchain integration. They want to integrate more private blockchain together. Establish DeFi ecosystem which take advantage of Wanchain cross-chain infrastructures. So completing milestone, I will invite you to read it on your own because this is, I don't want to bother you with that. So as you can see, they have Wanchain 5, 4, 3, different kind of version. Genesis of Wanchain. So if you want to put your email, let's go jump to the next sections. I need to take some coffee before moving on. I want you to take a couple of action of this great channel, my friend. Right now, subscribe. That's the first. And if you enjoy this kind of content, smash the like button. If you want to leave a nice comment below, your wisdom, your insight, or a piece of technology you want me to talk on this channel, go for it. Leave a nice comment below. As well, press the bell notification, bing, to get notified every single day, my friend, from Monday through Sunday, 9 Eastern time, every day with great content of value about blockchain technology, crypto, blockchain games, and stuff that power me to talk about it. And this is cool. You're going to find on this channel. And the most important thing is spread love about this great channel at your workplace and street at school for great content of value every day made by chez Selchi for the love of crypto and coffee. Let's go back to Wanchain. Meet our team. As you can see, it's always cool to know what's the people behind Wanchain leadership team. As you can see, they have a lot of people, that 6 people that working for the project, probably more. And if you want to embrace that, you can go with the carriers. You can send your CV. And they emphasize on global team leadership, impactful work, professional development, work-life balance. So let's go jump to the next sections. It's important to always have a blockchain explorer, because you want to know which transaction or the parameters or the staking reward percentage at the moment and the current moment. So as you can see, they have the egg. I don't know what does that mean exactly. Is the number of transaction? I'm not quite sure. The proof of stake, 21.16 million, probably staken in the pool, and the epochs, the time, and really the interest rate right now is 10.70, 17%. Pretty stable. Not the best interest in the industry, but it's pretty cool. Storman, I'm not quite sure what is it. And you see all the validator node or the name, because each project they have their own term how to describe node, validator node, or whatever the name. You see all the node available, the most popular node here on the top 10, as you can see here, and the statistic chart. They don't have much information. They need to probably just to put some information to describe each box. What's the representation? They have different kind of section. Validator here. Okay, so you have all the validator. Okay, so that's the way. As I mentioned, I'm learning at the same time with you. So the storeman, what's that mean? I'm not quite sure what's that mean. Cross chain. So they have different kind of cross chain, probably between bridges they create with different interoperability of blockchain. The token, as you can see, they have different kind of tokens supported on the blockchain. The transactions, every transaction that's happening right now. 7 seconds ago, a lot of transaction is happening as we speak, and they have different kind of bridge. I'm going to just wait a little bit. So convert cross asset chains, bridging with various DeFi applications. A fast way of converting your cross chain asset among Bitcoin, Ethereum, EXP, Ledger, and Wanchain based on Wanchain decentralized MPC and universal multiple chain mechanisms. Pretty cool, but I'm not going to show you how this thing is work. And they have the bridge and useful link that you can use. I'm sorry about it. One mask, token views, equal guide, one swap documentation. All probably important link about Wanchain externally of the website. But as you can see, they have a learning curve to be able to understand every asset. So sometimes it's very specific to the specific blockchain. So you need to find the documentation to have a meaning of the asset. But transaction is obvious, token is obvious, because they use the native token, as we already see and was covered the sections. What's the native token of Wanchain? Probably this is warped version of BTC. Warped version is mean that instead of to have Bitcoin on the main major blockchain, you have Bitcoin on the Wanchain blockchain or the Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. So let's go jump to the last section of this vlog, my friend. Wanchain they have, because when you use an infrastructure, you expect to see right now every smart contract they have platform they have built over it. So use Wanchain they have directly in your Chrome of Brave browser with the OneMask web wallet or the Wanchain wallet DHAP store. All Wanchain DHAP are powered by third party. That's the same thing with MetaMask when you interact with any DHAP over the Ethereum network or Polygon or whatever. But they don't have much DHAP Wanchain right now. They just have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 DHAP. This is not a lot. They need probably to have more. But what kind of DHAP they have over right now? The cross-chain decentralized exchange RiverX, Round the Robux, the price prediction game for Find Nexus, BD Dex like Wanchain, decentralized exchange with BT Wood, Zookeeper, a gamification of the yield farming on Wanchain. So they have different type of pools that you can put liquidity probably and put yields that everyone's replicate the success of that's happening on the blockchain of Ethereum blockchain. I mean, the DeFi, decentralized finance, the pool liquidity pools that was bring by Uniswap. Now they have create pools and they say put liquidity so people can swap back and forth, and you collect fees and you collect yields at the same time, or governance token. That's the big trend right now, probably something on this kind. Red Packet, the fun and social way to send crypto. Cool. Jackpot, the no loss crypto lottery brought to you by Find Nexus. I'm not quite sure how these things work. Find Nexus option, the decentralized BTC option platform from Find Nexus. OneLand, the first ever Wanchain-based decentralized lending platform. And OneSwap, a community-driven automated market maker that you can swap back and forth assets. So as you can see, they don't have much decentralized application as we speak. Probably they're going to have more in the near futures. But in the meantime, I'm going to close this vlog about Wanchain right now with a good coffee. And I want you to take a couple of actions right now. The first action is subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, right now. Smash that up button if you enjoy this kind of content. Leave a nice comment below. Share your wisdom, insight, or any type of DHAP you want me to bring or you want me to cover on this channel. Go for it, leave a nice comment below. And as well, smash the like button, not smash the like button, but press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day, my friend, from 9 a.m. Eastern time from Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. Eastern time, I mean, with great content of value, and as well spread love about this great channel at your workplace and straight at school. You can subscribe as well to my newsletter, podcast comes in my outstanding website, satoshi.com. Keep smiling, go outside, enjoy your day, and see you tomorrow for another great vlog from Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. Ciao, ciao, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.